Okay, so this is Davika. We want to look at how we fill TPAD. So first thing, you log in a TSC number. ID number is required. So you put the ID number. So remember you are using the TPAD to login. So that's tpad2.tsc.go.ke. Then you put the password. So you first make sure you have created the TPAD2 account. Then if you enter the password, you log in, click login, and therefore you'll see that you are opening your TPAD account. So here you see there is self-appraisal. So under self-appraisal you have self-assessment, and if you click on self-assessment, this is where you put your appraisal. So if you are creating a new one, you go to create new appraisal. For example, this is 2021 term. You select the term, and if it's term 1, term 2, or term 3, then after that you can take a depending on the kind of the term that you are. So you take either. So eligibility here, were you on duty on this term? So on duty or not on duty. If you want to see the previous appraisals, for example for 2020, for which term you specify, then you click search. Then you'll be able to see the appraisals that you have already done. So you see this one, we have one incomplete for term 1, and we have one for term 2. So after the duration, there is always closing thing. So the two here have been closed, so you can't enter them right now. So this is okay. So that's basically what you see on that page. That's what you see on that page. Okay. So lesson observation. The other part is lesson observation. So this lesson observation part is always done by the deputy of your school. So the deputy of your school has the right to do this. So if you are doing the entries for the TPAD, yours will go to 99%. Then the 1% will be done by your deputy, who will fill this part called lesson observation. So don't worry about it. What you can do here, you can only request for observation. So for example, this was done. Let's view what details you see. These are the first details that your deputy will do. That's deputy and teacher or deputy principal. So they will fill all these parts for you. So this is not your part. This is for deputies. The moment you do your TPAD to 99%, then your deputy will do the 1%, and you see that your TPAD is 100%. So if it's 100%, then you can submit for appraisal. So what you normally do, you normally submit for appraisal, so that now the deputy will also continue with doing the appraisal part. So don't worry about the other part. It is done by your deputy. So that's how these parts will be done by your deputy. So don't ask where they coming from. It's not your part actually. So there are other parts of your TPAD. So here, what you see is your lesson observations. So you can request for your lesson. You write something here. So kindly request for lesson observation. Then you send a request, and that's happened. So it goes to your deputy teacher. Okay, so we have done self-assessment. That's basically what you have done. And if you want to start a new one, so already this is closed. So you can see that it was 99%. That means the deputy did not do the part for 1% for lesson observation. The other one is 100%, means the deputy didn't, and then appraisal was done. Okay, so that's how you create a new one. You create new appraisal. Are you on duty? Or if you are on duty, of course, it's the one that you need to put this appraisal, because you did the necessary. Then we have other parts, the TPAD module, we have appraisal reports, the standard reports. So you can select a year for your standard report. For 2020 term, the term that you want to select, then you click search. Then when you click on search, you can see here you can print the summary or print the details. So for example, you can do for print detailed or summary. So if you print, remember it will go directly to your printer. Like for example, if we click on print summary, let's see what happens. It gives you now tools to the printer. So of course, if you are going to print, you'll hit the print button, then it comes. So we don't want that, so just for demonstration. Then PM based, that's progress worksheet. So here, so you see we have no module round for this, so you can print, and again we can go back to the dashboard. So you can log out because you are done with that, and that is it. So kindly subscribe to this channel so that I be giving such tutorials which are very important for your development as a teacher.